Honey, I'm home.
Welcome to Bloom's new ctOS-enabled banking teller. One moment while I confirm your identity.
Confirm? Confirm what? You don't watch television?
Welcome, Mr. Franklin. How can I assist you today?
Okay, so now you recognize me. All right, let's see those G's, baby. Yeah.
Thank you for your generous donation, Mr. Franklin.
Donation? What donation? Whatever. Maybe my publicist can handle with that. I don't have time for this.
Congratulations, Mr. Franklin. You've been awarded a bonus of $200.
Wow, for what? Being so damn handsome? Okay.
Congratulations again. As our 1,000th customer, you get $1,000.
Oh! What? Okay, I get it. I'm on one of those TV shows, huh? Are they hidden cameras?